The International Conference on Shipping and Logistics, organized by the Federation of Telangana Chambers of Commerce and Industry, emerges as a hub of knowledge, presenting challenges and opportunities.
The quality of a product may not be able to determine whether the product will be a success in the global market. Logistics plays a very key role. And if logistics is bad, the product is bad. So in fact, it's an end-to-end thing. So therefore, logistics plays a very key role, and technology is a key enabler to ensure that we are able to streamline our processes, reduce the lag, improve the overall efficiency.
The Suez Canal has been a recurring challenge that we've all seen. So I would presume that being with a plan B is something which on the long run is one area that I would expect everyone to look at it.
We are going ahead with digitization, but it's happening in pockets. You digitize the entire system at one location, and then when you move from one party to another party as a part of the handover of cargo, still a lot of data needs to be sent via email, via paper, via system transfer, EDI. But believe me, all those leads up to a problem of data integrity.
There are a lot of modalities involved in terms of ensuring that speed is the essence of logistics right now, and the visibility of where my package is are the two trending aspects in the current industry.
A lot of conflict is happening around the world, and which is impacting the supply chain. Some of the solution is the technology, forecasting and resilience of the supply chain, the supply chain service provider or the shipper consignee need to sit across, think about the various situations which can happen, and we need to look beyond how we can solve it.
We have identified around 7-8 terminals, out of which 2 or 3 are in southern part of India, like in Chennai and in Bangalore, where we've asked people, we've asked for partners to come forward and construct warehouses. There is a lot of demand for warehouses.
What we see is a greater emergence of Africa, Middle East and Southeast Asia. The second mega trend I will see is Indian companies going abroad and setting up their plants and taking their Indian partners in their countries.
We must have the infrastructure well ahead of its requirements. We are seeing in our country few infrastructure projects completed on time, but the moment they are completed, they are full to its capacity utilization, and that is not a healthy sign. We need to have spare capacity when we are building infrastructure.
At this point in time in India, 80 to 90% of e-consolidation business is unorganized. And the way I see it in the next 5 years, it is going to be the other way around, where 80 to 90% will get into the organized sector and only 10-20% will be left for the unorganized sector.